the defense of Cavite City to close out long para malibre ang kanilang mga atake.
As Hilot, maagang simula.
One guy who never stopped the first two-pointer para dito sa Aces Solar.
Napakatingkad ng mga uniforme natin ngayong hapon as a three-pointer. Visibly short-handed is Cavite in this game. We don't see the usual suspects. Jello Lumage and Prince Carino. But no problem naman dahil nandito si Travis Pascual.
Oh, Travis Pascual.
In the three-point area to begin this game.
Para sa kanila, more entries, more chances of winning.
Both teams undefeated to begin the season. Wala namang problema para kay Travis Pascual. 7-3, still a 4-point advantage para sa Cavite City. They go inside this time, kick out. Batan, same spot, same result. Yung kumpiyansa ni Dustin Batan. Go ahead to 5 once again. Another three-pointer, Dustin Batan. Make that 3 conversions now, all in the first.
Players naman itong Aces Solar.
Force them na masustain yung ganyang kaklaseng energy. Esposo, look at that pass to Hilot.
Able to find a way.
Scored 14 points in their previous assignment. Clemente lilipad, bothered by that defense. Making sure that time around was Valenzona.
Ito ang depensa ng Tiger Cubs.
First quarter highlights muna tayo dito. Hilot and Pascual trying to lead the way para sa Cavite City Aces Solar despite being short-handed. Batan in that earlier 3 had 3 of.
Pero yun, ang mabigat din kasi if ang parating nawawala, yung mga mostly used players mo dahil it takes some time to adjust.
In the early part of the season, nag-gel din pa itong mga players. We saw that Barha 3 earlier. On the other side would be De La Cruz hitting his first 2 of the game. So, looking to elude Cabanyero. Can't hit off the glass. Cabanyero, siya na rin magtatakbo. Gets it to save for 2.
Nice extra pass.
It's a pick from Valenzona. Ikot nila, Cabanyero for 3. Dials it from downtown. Andwell Cabanyero. Yung perimeter passing nila, talagang on point to begin this ball game. Barha, nice drop pass to Arsic and will hit on that short stab. As this is magkabuhok eh. Clemente left open. Hits on another 3. Make that 3-pointer.
Yeah. A defensive lapse para dito sa Aces Solar that time.
Sabi ko naman sa'yo, Melo, Andwell Cabanyero. So 14, up by 12. Take another look. That pass from Barha to Smith. Clemente, left open nga. That left-handed 3-pointer hit. So parang may kandado din itong ring dito sa Cavite City. 5, nice fake. Takes it all the way.
And that is not the case para dito.
That Kiam De La Cruz basket. Barha nagmamadali sa kabila. Finally, gets a basket para sa layup will miss for Surhom Slate. Clemente able to come up with it. Another field goal from the paint.
Trasan talaga nila eh.
Another turnover para sa Cavite as Knowles able to hit on the second try.
Recourse para dito sa Leyte. Another steal for them and another 2. Grabe. Hirap na.
Tiger Cubs pala yun. They're playing without Mark Dulin. They have a 3-on-1. Negado finds Knowles for the finish.
Tiger Cubs.
Hilot, maaagawan. Knowles goes behind the back, sidesteps his way through, and will finish through the window. Lumuto pa, Coach Melo. Another steal on the backcourt. Knowles once again.
I love the energy na nakukuha.
Able to track it down. So even those loose balls, naaamoy na itong Tiger Cubs. Negado. Go inside. Gets his first 2 of the game. Balage. Tawag dito ng Cavite City Aces Solar. Take another look at that move from Lawrence Knowles. Long on that 3. Trying to trap it. But Cabanyero finishing on the other end. Nabigyan pa ng been his usual self. So no inside operators in Lumage and Carino in this game. But that time Smith, the recipient of that nice find, goes cross court instead. Hesitated for a bit, but short on that three-point try. Another offensive rebound. A floater will rattle in para kay Kino Manabat. Pascual once again. Bibit-bit. It's the finger roll.
Probably the easiest basket here this afternoon.
5. Will pull up. Keyhole jumper is good.
That ball screen action went under, scoring easy basket.
Make that back-to-back para kay 5.
Late Holmes Rolindo C. the third said na wala sila specific game plan. Basta kapag pinasok sila ni coach, ilalabas lang nila ang kanilang 100% and focus sa depensa dahil walang mala sa depensa. Make every play.
56-28. Kalahati tayo dito. Able to cause that turnover. Esposo able to hit.
Working a lot harder than them para nga ma-dominate mo muli itong yung laro.
Three-pointer from the corner. Rolindo C. the third. Barha will turn it over. 3 Tiger Cubs as C decides to take it all the way.
Uncontested that.
Struggles continue para kay Travis. The number 1 priority sa depensa nitong Surhomes Leyte.
Kumbaga naging theme ng Surhomes dito, no? Stop Travis Pascual. Coach Ervin Shonil. Ang main trabaho talaga ngayon dito is to keep his players motivated despite the situation.
Hilot. It's on that 3-point. Last 13 seconds here in the third quarter. Batan answers immediately. Make that 4 3-pointers now para
tuloy mag-improve. Don't mind the score. Just executing every possession.
Speaking of executing, tuloy ang execution dito.
Ang Sursay, no, magre-relax dahil nga alam nila na kaya nilang pagurin yung kalaban, but the attitude and character na pinakita nitong Tiger Cubs, really impressive.
Pero of that find from Andwell Cabanero. 3-pointer naman sa kabila, courtesy of Kael Barha. Cabanero found himself open momentarily. Nahanap na naman sa loob. Back-to-back find.
Players sa laki nitong Tiger Cubs.
Parang dapat hindi na Cubs yung itawag natin sa mga to, Coach Melo.
Kaya
yung nagmumukhang Cubs eh.
Score, just execute yung game plan and adjustments, and hopefully maging susi yan para sa inyong patuloy na improvement in your future games. Dahil nga 30-point lead alang ball.
Opportunity din for the players that maybe ngayon lang sila nabigyan ng playing time to convince their coaches na games na ganito ulit yung sitwasyon para sa Cavite.
Well, for one, pag nireview niya yung laro, makikita niya kung saan nanggagaling help defense eh. And from that, makikita mo rin naman if you're Travis, kung kanina para naman na yun nga, maging decoy ka instead of the primary option sa offense.
Another 3-pointer dito para sa Surhomes Leyte. That was a
lalo na nga dun sa mga rarely used players, no? Don't mind the score, just give your coaches a reason to use you more in your future games.
Barha able to hit on another.
Nitong si Liodil, ano? Pero if you're gonna take a look at this game, you have to be impressed to the likes of itong si Kael Pacania. He's the smallest guy on the floor but competing with the much taller players. Kanina nga nakakuha pa na.
Take another look at that move from Kael Barha. He now has 2 points so far in their first 2 games. 20 ang pinukul dito.
Yes, napakalaking improvement, no, dun sa kanyang averages. As Pacania
go inside. Manabat. It's on that turnaround. But yung practice time, hindi mo na kailangan masyado mag-organize ng kung kailan ba pwede. Si ganito, si ganyan. As Barha scores on yet another basket. 22 now para kay Kael.
Yung pinaka-importante.
Lead as high as 30 at 1 point. Now just 20. Just try to take as much positives as you can. As Austin Arsic, Game 5 of a 6-game slate. Hatid natin sa inyo ngayong Father's Day Sunday. 14 under matchup coming right after. As another three-pointer. This time, Negado hitting from outside. The 8 conversions. Opening up that floor nga, providing a lot of space for their inside operators. Kyle Pacania.
Pero ngayon,
Great anticipation there. Lizan, a steal and a bucket.
yun nga, easy baskets ang naging resulta para sa kanila. Really taking advantage of the depleted lineup, pero I like the attitude ng
Partner of Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL. Only 25 seconds remaining. And will score underneath. Three will miss. The Tiger Cubs would just let the time run out. It would be Leyte securing the victory 85-64 and